that train! Get me close, CJ! I'm about to pop these fools! Roll up on them, CJ, so I can get a shot! Coming train! Take the high road on the right, CJ! Get out of here before the cops show, man!
Was it always like this?
Was what always like this?
Always fucked up around here. Or is it because of the drugs?
What you think, man?
I don't know. That's why I'm asking you.
Yo, hey, don't ask a wise man, Frank. Ask a fool.
That's what I was doing.
Well, if you gonna make this thing personal, I ain't speaking on it no more. Hey, you better clear out, CJ. I don't want those crash fools trying to